Welcome to Charm School. I'm Anna Griffin, and this is our Simply Birthday Easel card making kit, made easy. Now, if the word simply didn't give it away, we have created something that is just a fantastic project kit. Inside this little box is every single thing that you need to make 10 easel birthday cards. And what does that mean? Well, an easel card is something that when opened, stands at attention. It has a little kickstand in the back, and so the easel allows the card to display your message year-round. Now, inside this box, there are everything from embellishments to perfectly designed sentiments. We have pre-tied little ribbons. This is a signature card, and it's something that you'll write on and then add to your card. And then we have envelopes for the 10 cards and foam adhesive, which is double-sided adhesive that makes it really easy to put these together. The cards themselves are already pre-printed. The easel part is already made for you. And here's how that works. This is the back of the card, so you'll sign your name. This is the front of the card because this folds forward, and this little tab, like I said, is the kickstand. This is the easel, and you just peel this off. You apply a shadow layer to that, and then you add a die cut layer over that for a dimensional look. Now, this is something that I think is very unique to us in that we make it super simple for you to make something that looks somewhat complicated. Inside the box you have all 10 designs where we have made these, so you can use this as reference. We have step-by-step instructions, but I'm getting ready to show you how to create one. You would choose your favorite card surface. So we're starting out with the lavender, and if, again, handmade is on the back, so we want to fold this forward, and you want to warm up this score line by folding it and removing the adhesive cover. I'm creating this with a matching card layer. Okay, so this is the back, this is the front. The pattern is forward and it goes right on that little tab. And if you push up and back, you have your first easel mechanism. All right, and then all we have to do is decorate that. And we're going to do that with a series of die cuts that match. Foam adhesive is on the back, and then here we're going right into the center of that layer. And you see how beautiful and dimensional that is. And with the embellishments inside the box, we have accounted for at least 4 embellishments for the face of the card, and so you can design exactly what works for you. I like things that are sort of on the diagonal. And then as you are creating with this, if you stand the easel up, add your signature card with foam adhesive on the bottom of it so that this has a little place to stand. All right, and if you want more embellishments, by all means, go back and add those. It's really up to you. Now I have a few samples that we've made, and the color palette is our perfect palette inside the box. So we have everything from pink and coral to gray and lavender, and then even a really beautiful turquoise blue saying happy birthday to you and the people that matter to you in your life. That's beautiful in the making.